Welcome to physics, especially chemistry, and we are going to deal with physics. By physics, we are referring to chemistry on this chapter. And then on chemistry, we are dealing with Kc, equilibrium constant, which is part of the rate of reactions. So that's what the problem is all about. So we have this equation, sulfate decomposes to sulfur dioxide and oxygen. So the double arrow there indicates that it's reversible. So we have sulfate 0.04 mol decimeter cubed, and we have sulfur dioxide 0.5, and we have mass of oxygen 3.25 gram, and the Kc is given at 31.25. So we're required to solve the volume of the container. So we have Kc there, which is the concentration of the product over the concentration of the reactant. And then Kc will be concentration of the product is sulfur dioxide and oxygen. So it's going to be the product of sulfur dioxide. And then we have a coefficient of 2, so it becomes exponent. And we have oxygen gas power 1, so we leave it as it is. So we have the reactant, which is sulfate. So sulfate has a coefficient of 2, and that becomes the exponent 2. So it's going to be exponent 2. And then right now Kc value, we substitute the value. It's 31.25. Kc has no units, 31.25 is a ratio. And then the reaction of sulfur dioxide, that's 0.5 to the power 2. So 0.5 to the power 2 multiplied by the concentration of oxygen all over concentration of sulfate. So we have sulfate there at 0.04 mol per decimeter cubed. So it's going to be 0.04 to the power 2. And then that's over 1, so we cross multiply, and so for oxygen, concentration of oxygen is going to be the product of 31.25 multiplied by 0.04 to the power 2, and all that divided by 0.5 to the power 2. And solving for the concentration, we have 31.25 multiplied 0.04 to the power 2 divided by 0.5 to the power 2 gives us 0.2. So our answer is 0.2 mol per decimeter cubed. Per decimeter cubed. And then we have number of moles is mass over molar mass. So we need to find out the mass of oxygen. Oxygen, let's get to the periodic table. We have oxygen there, which is 16 gram per mole, and then double atom, which is going to be 2 times 16, giving us 32 grams per mole. So that's the molar mass of oxygen. And then we have number of mass there, the given mass, that's 3.25 gram. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna say 3.25 gram over 32 gram per mole, and then the gram cancels, and we have the answer, which is 3.25 divided by 32 is 0.10156. So it's 0.1016 mole. And then we know that concentration is number of moles over volume, and our concentration is 0.2, and number of moles is 0.1016, and our volume, that's what we need to calculate. So cross multiply, so volume is going to be 0.1016 divided by 0.2, and that gives us using a 0.508, so 508, and then that means that's going to be 0.16 divided by 0.2, 0.508, So the 2 decimal places is going to be 0.51 decimeter cubed. So that's our answer. I just want to thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to follow, subscribe if you've liked the channel. And this is your tutor, Black Adam 5D tutor. If you have any question, don't hesitate to leave below. You can email me on the email provided. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to follow, subscribe.